Here we go. We have a swan nesting with a geese right beside her. Sound weird? It is, but as you can see, she has no problem with the geese next to her. You know, when I first came down here, I seen the male swimming back and forth. And then I thought, well, maybe he's going to come back with that geese there, and there's going to be trouble. But she seems to be content. Beautiful to see this. You don't see this but once in a lifetime. You never see such beauty up close. As you can see in the background, you see that geese moving? Yeah. I'm trying to see where maybe the male might be, but I don't think he's around. But as you can see the geese moving now? And, you know, she's not doing too much about it. I don't know why, but it sure is nice to watch, to see nature. You know, who would have thought that you would see a swan and a geese, especially a geese next to a female swan's nest within a foot or two? It's just unreal, and you know, it's just beautiful to see this kind of stuff. Very, very rare just to see swans nesting, let alone seeing a geese. But you know, like I said, he's around. I'm not sure how he's gonna act when he decides to come up and take over. But as you can see, for now, everything's quiet on the swan front.